Hi there, this is James from Burton Waters Boat Sales at Ipswich Beacon Marina. We're just going to do a walk around video of this Solaris Sunstar 32, something a bit different for us to have a look at. Obviously you can all work out that it is actually a catamaran, and it gives a very different layout inside. For a 32-foot boat actually it gives a really good layout. It gives you 3 cabins with berths for 6 people, which is really nice, and a very long sort of toilet shower room as well, which we'll see in just a moment. But for the start, let's just have a look at her on the outside, and then what we'll do is we'll work our way on board. The vessel's equipped with a Volvo Penta MD2010s, which are 10 horsepower each, so overall you've got 20 horsepower. The nice thing is that's on each side of the hull, so each hull has its own engine and sail drive, and the nice thing with that, of course, it does make the boat quite manoeuvrable in confined quarters as well. So what we'll do is we'll step aboard and we'll have a look at what the accommodation that she has to offer aboard. Now aboard, and let's have a little walk up the deck. Nice wide deck, easy deck to walk up, has got to be said. And you've obviously got this lovely sort of trapeze area on the bow here as well, which is where all the fenders are lying at the moment. And let's just take a closer look at the look of the boat. You've got a very encapsulated saloon area, which gives you a good 360 view out. Obviously we'll just take you up the mast as well. As you can see, it's got a lazy jack system and then a furling main here as well. You've also got plenty of storage points around the front of the deck as well, so very handy for putting stowing fenders, lines and such like away as well. And then what we can do is we'll wander back and then we'll have a little look at the cockpit, which as you can see is a nice wide beamy cockpit. I think from memory the boat is about 15 foot on its beam, so plenty of space here in the cockpit. Then you're on a helm wheel, and then you've got your twin throttles, and just below that we've got your engine controls as well. There is also compasses on the boat, plus your Windex, all here as well, and your second compass over on the starboard side. And then let's come round and we'll look inside. So as you walk in, you immediately come to this quite vast raised saloon area, which obviously is the benefit with a catamaran design, plus it gives you plenty of extra space for accommodation on the boat as well. So what we'll do is we'll spin around. As you can see, you have got light coming in from all angles. You've got this lovely big chart table area just here as well, with your Garmin chart plotter. We've also got your heating controls just here. You've also got a Navtex as well, and then obviously a little Sony CD radio system. So plenty of seating here for 6 people. And what we'll do is we'll go into the porthole first. And as we drop down into the porthole, the first thing we see is the galley, nicely well equipped with a 3-burner hob. And there's also a lot of storage in here as well, which is nice. You've got plenty of storage over here, up here, and if I spin round, you've got your gas oven here as well. And this takes you to the starboard aft cabin. As you can see, quite a wide cabin in there. Again, you've got plenty of portholes, plenty of light to come into the boat as well. These storage areas that are behind the door are nice and big. Plus you've got another one just here. They've got a zip shut, very traditional. And then if we turn around and we go forwards, we'll come to your quarter cabin, which is just here. Again, you've got storage in the sides of the hull on both sides as well. Plus you've got storage underneath the berth there as well. So let's step up and let's cross to the starboard hull. Also, as we just go across, you've got all your controls, all your electrical systems just here, and your VHF radio as well, all nice and easy to access. And then we'll pop down into the hull, and as we come round, we've then got this, what I'd say is a very long head. You've obviously got a nice sort of sink and storage all in here. The next section is like a shower area, and then ahead of that we've then got your toilet, which is a sea toilet. So very long, obviously following the shape of the hull. Plenty of storage here for your gear as well. And then we come round, I've lifted the board up so we can see one of the engines. And then you come to sort of what would be the master cabin. You've got a bit of seating in here. Again, you've got good storage in the boat as well. You've got hanging space in here. And then if we just pop round and I can find the switch to open you've also got more storage in there as well. So obviously I've got the mattress up. It's obviously double berth here, quite a good size actually, I would say. And then we look down and this is your port engine, which then goes down onto a sail drive. So everything on the boat is very accessible, I have got to say. So anything that you ever wanted to do to the boat, it would be very easy to do. Now, the history with this boat is it's one owner from new. Basically, the owner bought the boat from Solaris Catamarans, had the hull made, had the engines from the Solaris Catamarans and the actual rigging as well, and then completed the fit out of the boat between him and his son. And they've had the boat for 25 years. They've done extensive cruising on her. The boat was launched in 2000, and it's due to age is now the time that he's having to give up boating and put her on the market, which is quite a tear for the owner. Obviously, lots of memories on the boat. They have done quite a fair few sea miles on her, including keeping her in Brittany for 3 of those years as well. So hopefully the video just gives you an idea of the actual boat itself. Please feel free to ask any questions or if you'd like to come and view her. But thank you for watching.